Finger-Gard protection guards are designed exclusively to guard against accidental finger injuries on both the push and pull sides of most building doors, especially those with door closers. These guards protect fingers from being severed or crushed in the danger zone, reducing your legal injury claims and providing a safer environment for children. Finger-Gard Push or Push EX door guards provide protection on the push side of doors. Finger-Gard Pull or Pull EX door guards provide protection on the pull side of doors. The EX versions are engineered to work on both exterior and interior doors, including doors with push bars or panic exit devices. The X versions utilize flexible rubber hinges that will not crack or become stiff in cold exterior applications, nor disintegrate with direct UV sunlight. Push EX guards work on the push side of all doors, including 180-degree door swings and Dutch doors. Finger-Gard door guards protect the area of the danger zone where the most severe finger injuries can occur. Installation is quick and simple. First, you will need denatured isopropyl alcohol, not rubbing alcohol that has oil in it, a clean, dry cloth, and if doing many doors, a strong wallpaper joint roller or pressure stick, and a pencil and ruler. You may also need standard tin snips if cutting is necessary for changing the height of the guard or to trim it to accommodate push bars. Before installing any guard, clean the full length of both door areas where the guard will be installed with the alcohol. This will remove oil and surface dirt, and it's essential for a successful installation. Never omit or shortcut this step. Be certain you read and follow the printed instructions included with the products. It's a good idea to install a small test piece first before you attempt to install a full guard. First, let's install the Finger-Gard Push or Push EX. The push guard is designed to be a continuous cover over the push side of the danger zone. The push model is for most interior doors, and the Push EX model is for both interior or exterior doors. For exterior doors, if the door frame has a jam-applied weather strip on the push side of the hinges, remove it and install an inside jam-mounted weather strip or smoke gasket if desired. Check for obstacles such as push bars or panic exit devices. If the door has a push bar, mark the position with a pen or marker and then cut the guard 1/8 inch away from the obstacle. Or modify the push bar housing. Do not cut the guard in half to go around the push bar. With the door in the closed position, apply the guard to the side jamb first. Remove the tape backing from the straight side of the guard and position the guard perpendicular to the door with the angled side of the door, keeping it away from the side jamb. Position the guard just above the bottom of the door. Using both hands, each positioned at 1/3 of the way, push on the guard, keeping the angled side firmly against the door. Carefully slide the guard over to the side jamb and tack it in place. Open the door and open up the guard. Now, roll the area with a wallpaper-type seam roller, pressure stick, or a clean soft cloth. If you think it did not install properly, peel off the guard and begin again, as this special tape is repositionable. Now, close the door to secure the angled side of the door face. If there is a push bar, you may need to perform this with the door partially open, and then close the door during final application. Remove the tape backing from the angled side, keeping the tape well away from the door face. Hold the guard in the middle, bending the face of the tape away from the door, and release the angled end, pushing it into the jamb corner. Continue pushing the panel first flat against the jamb with one hand, while with the other hand, push the angled portion into the corner, so that the guard is totally both flat against the jamb and the angled portion is secured to the door face. Repeat this procedure from the middle of the guard to the bottom of the door. Once everything is in place and properly aligned, use a pressure stick to completely push the tape securely on the angled side. If no stick is available, use a clean cloth and press hard, running your hand the full length of the guard. For a more secure attachment, you may wish to install 2 or 3 self-tapping screws on the door side only. Check to be sure the door opens and closes easily. Installation of the Finger-Gard Push or Push EX is now complete. Now, let's install the Finger-Gard Pole or Pole EX guard for the pole side of doors. This panel-type guard is designed to provide continuous protection, yet it can allow for easy removal for service or replacement of hinges. First, decide if you need or want to install the guard for easy removal. If so, use only screws for installation on one side, without the tape, and use the tape only on the other side. For a cleaner look on both sides, eliminate the screws. Here's how to proceed. Make a vertical line with a pencil on the trim, 3/4 of an inch from the hinge line. You will be attaching the guard to the door first. With the door in the closed position, partially remove the backing tape from either side of the guard. Keep the guard close to the bottom of the door. Fold back one side of the guard and push the guard onto the door, starting at the top, keeping the edge of the guard aligned about 1/8 of an inch from the edge of the door, butting up to the door hinges. With the other hand, remove the tape backing in short increments while pushing the guard in place in 6-inch increments. After tacking the full side of the door, roll the guard with a rubber-type roller or use a clean soft cloth and apply strong pressure to fully secure the tape. Now, secure the opposite side to the trim. Remove the backing from the entire length. Starting at either the top or the bottom, use your hand to tack the guard in 6-inch increments, aligning the edge of the guard to the pencil mark. Roll or press along the entire length to secure firmly. This completes the installation of the Finger-Gard Pole or Pole EX door guard. These protection guards are basically maintenance-free, although we recommend that you check them regularly. If it's ever necessary to replace the tape or remove the guard for servicing hinges, use a hairdryer to soften the adhesive tape and slowly pull the guard from the door and frame. You may re-secure the guard to the door frame if done within an hour or so. If the tape has lost its tack, reinstall the guard, either using number 8 by 3/4 inch self-tapping wafer screws, 6 inches on center, or re-secure with good quality contact adhesive, such as 3M's Fast Bond or DAP's Weldwood, available at most hardware stores. If you have special installation requirements or questions about the procedure, call us first before you begin. We'll be glad to answer your questions. Finger-Gard push and pull door guards are designed for dependable, reliable service for years. With proper installation and care, they will help protect fingers from the danger zone.